Hey, what's up? In this video I want to tell you about another new product from Zeblaze company. We already made videos about Zeblaze Stratus and the Zeblaze GTR2 last month. You can watch them by the links in description. Zeblaze Meteor is not really a smartwatch, but fitness bracelet. However, it has bigger display than other watches from Zeblaze. So the main features of Zeblaze Meteor are 1.57-inch screen, IP68 waterproof, 14 days battery life, heart rate, blood pressure and SpO2 monitors. The price of the new fitness bracelet is only $25. By the way, recently Xiaomi has released the new generation of its fitness bracelet, Redmi Smart Band Pro. It has similar design and functions to Zeblaze Meteor, but the price is more than twice as high. Unfortunately, I don't have Redmi Smart Band Pro now, so I cannot compare it with the Zeblaze Meteor. However, I can tell you a lot about the Zeblaze Fitness Band. Let's start with unboxing. The new smart wristband from Zeblaze comes in this box. Inside the box we can see a tracker and the strap separately. It is very easy and fast to attach the strap to the tracker. Then we have a magnetic charging cable and user manual. That's all. So one of the main features of Zeblaze Meteor is design, in particular the display. It has a diagonal of 1.57 inches. For comparison, Zeblaze GTR2 smartwatch that we have tested last month had 1.28 inches screen. However, Zeblaze GTR2 is much larger than the Zeblaze Meteor because of the thick bezel around the display. The body of the new Zeblaze fitness bracelet is made of glossy plastic, but the physical button on the right side is metal. The weight of the wristband is only 26 grams. On the back of Zeblaze Meteor, we can see 2-pin charging contacts, 3 LED heart rate sensor and 3-axis accelerometer. Another feature of the new fitness bracelet is IP68 Water-Resistant. The swimming mode is available, so you can swim in the pool with this fitness band. I think that's all about design, and now we can talk about the functions and settings of the new fitness bracelet. By the way, I forgot to tell you the resolution of the display. It is 200 by 320 pixels. I don't know the brightness of the screen, but it is quite good in direct sunlight. And there are 7 watch faces available on the bracelet, but you can download more through the app on smartphone. We will talk about the application a little later. Then we can swipe down from the main screen to see a quick settings menu. There is Do Not Disturb mode, lift wrist screen on feature, screen brightness from 0 to 5 level, alarm clock, power off and settings menu. In the settings menu we can change the preferences, such as date format, language, time format, message brightness screen, and vibration intensity. Then there are dial settings, Do Not Disturb mode, Find My Phone, QR code to download the app on smartphone, factory reset, and system information. We can also swipe left or right from the main watch face to check information about daily activity, such as steps, calories and distance, measure heart rate, sport mode, weather, music control, and message. Finally, you can swipe up from the main watch face to see all the functions of Zeblaze Meteor. Here we have steps, sleep, sport modes, sport record, heart rate, SpO2, blood pressure, alarm clock, calculator, timer, stopwatch, breath training, remote camera control, music control, and even game. By the way, Zeblaze Meteor is the first wearable product of this Chinese company that I have tested with built-in game. I don't think you will play this game very often, but it is a very interesting bonus. Now I want to check heart rate, blood pressure and SpO2 measurements. First, the fitness bracelet detects when you are wearing a bracelet, and if it is not on your arm, it will not measure your heart rate. That's very good. As you can see, I have 63 BPM in a calm state. Also, Zeblaze Meteor will not measure your blood pressure if the bracelet is not your arm. I have 123 by 86 mm of mercury. I am okay. Finally, let's measure SpO2. I have 99%. That's very good. It seems I'm healthy. Now let's take a look at the app. The application is called QWatch Pro and it is available on Android and iOS devices. In device settings, we can turn on/off incoming call, notifications and smart reminders. Then we have Do Not Disturb mode, heart rate detection, time in blood pressure, and SpO2 detection. There is also Find Device and Take a Picture. If you need, you can change the weather, length, and time units. As already said before, Zeblaze Meteor supports many watch faces. You can find them in the dial menu. Finally, let's talk about battery life. There is no information about battery capacity of the new Zeblaze Smart Band, but the manufacturer promises 7 days of battery life in daily use mode and up to 14 days in basic watch mode. The battery life of Zeblaze Meteor is about the same as other budget fitness watches and bracelets. So the main features of Zeblaze Meteor is display. It has bigger diagonal than other budget watches, for example Zeblaze GTR2, but the fitness bracelet is more compact. In addition, it is very lightweight. I think Zeblaze Meteor is better for sports than the previous Zeblaze watches, such as Zeblaze GTR2, GTS Pro and others. Also, the price of this smart band is very affordable, only $25. Thank you for watching this video. Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers.